2025 Toyota Crown is a bold statement in the sedan market, blending luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. With its unique styling and premium features, the Crown aims to redefine what a modern sedan should be. Let's take a deep dive into everything this stunning vehicle has to offer. But before we begin, welcome to Car Culture Chronicles, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, latest automotive trends, and expert insights. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. At first glance, the Crown's exterior design is nothing short of striking. Toyota has given it a high-riding stance, almost like a crossover, while maintaining the sleek lines of a luxury sedan. The front end features a large, aggressive grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted hood lines that exude sophistication. The side profile showcases elegant bodywork with a sloping roofline, giving it a coupe-like silhouette. At the rear, wraparound LED taillights and a clean bumper design add to its futuristic appeal. Available in multiple two-tone color options, the Crown certainly stands out on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Crown offers impressive performance options. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering a balance of power and efficiency. For those craving more excitement, Toyota offers a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid system with all-wheel drive, pushing out around 340 horsepower. This combination provides quick acceleration and confident handling, making the Crown feel athletic despite its size. The electronically controlled all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction, whether you're on dry pavement or wet roads. Toyota's hybrid technology also contributes to impressive fuel efficiency, making the Crown a practical choice for daily driving. Step inside, and the Crown continues to impress. The cabin is designed with a perfect blend of luxury and technology. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a matching 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are well-cushioned, offering heating and ventilation for maximum comfort. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and a comfortable ride. Toyota has ensured that the Crown's interior feels upscale, making it a serious contender against premium sedans. Safety is a top priority, and the 2025 Toyota Crown is packed with advanced driver assistance features. Toyota's Safety Sense suite comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The car is also equipped with a 360-degree camera system for easier parking and maneuvering. With high safety ratings and an array of protective technologies, the Crown provides peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Crown is expected to start around $42,000 for the base hybrid model, with higher trims reaching up to $55,000, depending on features and performance upgrades. Given its combination of luxury, efficiency, and performance, the Crown offers solid value for those looking for something different in the sedan segment. The 2025 Toyota Crown is an exciting blend of style, performance, and advanced technology. With its bold looks, hybrid powertrains, and luxurious interior, it's a standout choice for anyone seeking a premium sedan with a unique character. What do you think? Would you consider the Toyota Crown as your next vehicle? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Culture Chronicles for more in-depth car content. Stay tuned for our next review, and until then, drive safe and keep exploring the road ahead.